Hi traders, you're welcome to my video on the Heikin Ashi trading. Are you struggling with choppy markets and fake outs? What if I told you there is a way to smooth out market noise and spot trends with greater clarity? Okay, that brings us to the Heikin Ashi candles because that's what we're going to be discussing. We are going to be looking at the Heikin Ashi day trading to be specific, what it is, how it works, and the best strategies for using it effectively. So if you're serious about refining your day trading strategy, then hit that like button and subscribe to stay ahead of the game. Now let us get started. Okay, I'm going to be adding the Heikin Ashi indicator to the charts. All right. Let's just give this a black background for easy. All right. So the Heikin Ashi is a modified candlestick charting technique that smooths price movements, making it easier to identify trends and reversals. Now, unlike regular candlesticks which show price changes based on the open, close, high, and low of a single period, the Heikin Ashi calculates an average of the previous bars to create a smoother chart. So here's why traders love Heikin Ashi for day trading. One is that it reduces market noise. Okay, it helps you avoid unnecessary whipsaws. Okay, also trends are easier to spot with Heikin Ashi because of clearer bullish and bearish momentum. And then also reversals become more obvious because there is less confusion with false signals. Now let us just break down how to read Heikin Ashi candles properly. Before jumping into trading strategies, you need to understand what Heikin Ashi candles are telling you. All right, let's first of all talk about strong bullish candles. When you notice large white bodies with little or no lower wicks, it's a signal of an uptrend like what we see happening here. Then for strong bearish candles, when you notice large red bodies with little or no upper wicks, that's a signal of a strong downtrend. Then as for indecision candles, you will notice small bodies with both upper and lower wicks, indicating potential reversals or consolidations. So by simply looking at the size and shape of these candles, you can gauge market strength and anticipate trend shifts. Now, Heikin Ashi works even better when combined with other indicators. So here are three of the best to use. One is moving average. All right. You can use the 50 period EMA, for example. Using the 50 period EMA helps confirm trend direction. If Heikin Ashi candles stay above the EMA, the trend is strong for a buy trend. If it stays below, it means the trend is strong for a sell trend. Then another indicator that can be used is the relative strength index, or the RSI for short. It helps to confirm overbought or oversold conditions. If the RSI crosses above the overbought level, this line at the top represents the let's just okay, so you can see that the line at the top represents the overbought territory, right? So while the line at the bottom represents the oversold territory. So if RSI crosses above 70 while the Heikin Ashi shows strong white candles, a reversal could be coming. Like in this example, we can see shortly afterward we had a decline, right? Then now the volume indicator is also an important indicator. Increased volume during Heikin Ashi color changes signals a strong trend shift. All right. So using these indicators with Heikin Ashi enhances accuracy and reduces false signals. Now let us get into the best Heikin Ashi day trading strategies. The first is trend following strategy. Okay, you can identify a strong trend with consecutive white candles or consecutive red candles. Okay, consecutive white candles obviously is a buy trend, consecutive red candles obviously is a sell trend. So you can enter when the price pulls back to a support, when the price pulls back to a support or a resistance. Okay, once you have identified the trend, when the price pulls back to a resistance or a support, you can then enter, all right, while still holding trend structure. Then you exit when you see a color change or a reversal. For example, if you had entered a sell after this pullback, you can exit once the price gets to this support or once this first white candle form, you can exit your sell. So you would have caught this move all the way from here to here. All right. Then you can also trend reversal strategies. Look for indecision candles after a strong uptrend or downtrend. Okay, I think we have an example here. So you can see, look for indecision candle after a strong uptrend or downtrend. Then you enter when the candle confirms a reversal, right? When the candle confirms a reversal, you enter with a color change, right? Then use the RSI and volume indicator to confirm the move. Okay, you can see the RSI is climbing up from the oversold territory, so that's a good buy indication. Now, these two strategies help you capitalize on clear trends and avoid unnecessary losses. I can actually works on multiple time frames, okay, but for day trading, here's what works best. The 1 minute and the 5 minute charts, they are best for scalping quick moves. Then your 15 minutes and your 30-minute charts, they're ideal for catching bigger intraday trends. Then your 1 hour chart is great for confirming the overall market direction before entering smaller trades. So the key is to align smaller time frames with the bigger picture to make smarter entries. Okay. Now to quickly recap, Heikin Ashi smooths out price action, making it easier to spot trends and reversals. When you find white candles with no wicks, they indicate strong uptrend, while red candles with no wicks indicate strong downtrend. You can use indicators like moving averages, RSI, and volume to confirm Heikin Ashi signals. Trend following and reversal strategies work best for day trading. Ensure you choose the right time frame based on your trading style, okay? If this video helped you, hit that like button and drop a comment below. Do you use Heikin Ashi in your trading? What is your favorite strategy? And of course, subscribe for more in-depth trading breakdowns. Turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.